Hello, shamanettes, and welcome to The Beauty Shaman. So recently I did a video talking about my search for a home microneedling kit that offers different sizes of needles and why I decided to try the Banish starter kit. So I love the Banish microneedling kit and I feel confident that you will also get great results from it, which is why I'm doing a second video to share a little bit more about it. I'm going to take you through a step-by-step guide on how to use a microneedling kit at home, specifically how I do it to help my skin look brighter, reduce dark spots and acne scars, and even out my skin tone. If you haven't watched my channel before, I'm an esthetician and a celebrity makeup artist, and one of my passions is at-home skincare devices. I love doing things at home. If you're curious about microneedling but don't know where to start, this video is for you. I'll show you exactly how I prepare, treat, and care for my skin so that you can get the best results safely and comfortably. The majority of my skincare, my devices that I use, including microneedling, are at home. So it comes from a very good place. So I've been using the Banish at-home microneedling kit for about a month. Here's my skin when I started and the results 30 days later. As you can see, my skin is brighter, it's plumper, and my dark spots are minimized. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what you need. So I use the Banish starter kit, which I've already said. You'll want to also have some rubbing alcohol for sanitizing, a really good skin cleanser, and your favorite face cream, plus a sunscreen to use afterwards. Also, patience and consistency are key. So I do treatments, microneedling, every 2 weeks. And because I'm consistent, I've actually seen steady improvements. Start with a freshly washed, clean face, then sanitize your device by soaking the head in alcohol for about 5 minutes. Let it dry completely. If you're treating specific areas, you can wipe your skin with alcohol, but I prefer to keep my skin clean and dry for best results. The Banish starter kit comes with 2 additional 0.5mm replaceable heads for the face and 0.25mm for the more sensitive areas like around your eye area, and a 1mm for thicker skin and scars on the body. They also give you a $30 Banish gift card with purchase, so that's fabulous. Then I gently stamp the device into my skin. No dragging, don't press too hard. I do about 3 stamps per area and I move systematically all around my face. So you do your whole face basically 3 times. Remember, less is more. You don't need to press hard, just hard enough to create those tiny punctures in your skin. It might feel a bit prickly, but it shouldn't hurt. If you want to know more about microneedling and why it works, I'll link the first video that I did where I talk about that down below. After your session, apply the Vanish Vitamin C Cream to nourish your skin. Every product will absorb much better after you use microneedling. Be careful though, as sometimes stronger ingredients like alpha hydroxy acids, retinol, and vitamin C serums, some vitamin C serums, can be too strong for immediately following treatment. If you wait about 24 hours, you can go back to using the active ingredients that have a much larger impact on your complexion, like vitamin C serum. And always protect your skin with SPF during the day. Your skin will be more sensitive after microneedling. Also, I really love the Banish eye cream and retinol for a wonderful day-to-day skincare. So hydrate well and give your skin time to recover after every single treatment, and you'll notice your skin feels softer, it's brighter, it's more resilient. Really makes a difference. A few tips: be consistent, listen to your skin, and don't rush the process. Microneedling is a journey, not a quick fix. Over time, you'll see your skin become more luminous, even toned, and youthful looking. And remember, aging gracefully means taking good care of yourself, both inside and out. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope the step-by-step guide helped you feel confident to try microneedling at home. It's been a wonderful addition to my skincare routine, and I believe it can also help you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more skincare tips and leave your questions or experiences below. So remember to stay radiant and embrace your beautiful aging journey. Thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman.